Hi, my name is Vishal and I am going to do my given task. So I just open Google Chrome. I'm gonna to open Google Scholar. I go to the settings here. I'm using Google Scholar so I can make it easy for me. I just use here Federation University Australia link, so it shows me data from only from a Federation University Australia. So I copy my given link paper, so I paste my paper here. There we go. This is the paper. So I'm going to import into endnote. Open it. Yeah, it shows me here. So now I have to select it, and I selected it. I have to go to open a Word file. I search on the Word file. Yeah, open a new blank page. So select the endnote here, insert citation. So I use the insert select the citation here. So this is a referencing here, and I'm going to download this paper so I can know what the paper is about for. I use the abstract because abstract gives the whole knowledge of the paper. So we do financial growth of the economy services to growth further growth import technology innovation. However, security and privacy challenge inhibited the widespread adoption and therefore required further future research from implementation. The narrative reviews within the survey, however, provide integration and mapping of the cloud security requirement, identify threats, or additionally, this study contributes toward identify a unified taxonomy of the security requirements here. Further security challenges in other related areas like trust-based security models, cloud enables application or Internet of Things like okay. So now I am going to explain my exam. So my paper. My topic is paper which is related to security and threat related issue in cloud technology. Actually this paper is mainly give information to identify unified taxonomy for security requirements and the threats. The paper mainly highlighted the security challenges area. There is a number of areas like trust-based security, IoT, Internet of Things, like which type of equipment were you connected with the internet, and some software-defined networks and network function visualization. That's it.